Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should be in the repository root and have changes saved. First, run git remote v to see the remote named origin and its URL. Once done, confirm you have push or admin rights if needed because removing a remote affects collaborators only when they update. Now execute the removal command, git remote remove origin. This is precise and safe. It only alters your local config. Make sure the command runs without error before proceeding to the next step. After running the remove command, verify the change by running git remote to list current remotes. Origin should no longer appear. If you need deeper inspection, open git/config to review sections named remote and ensure no origin block remains. Once confirmed, you can add a new remote with git remote add origin URL or adjust fetch/push settings. If the removal failed, try the alternate syntax git remote rm origin. To finish, decide whether to leave the repo without origin or add a new remote with git remote add origin URL, then run git fetch origin to sync refs. Make sure to update branch tracking with git branch setup stream to equals origin/main if required. If you encounter errors, inspect git/config for malformed entries and verify file system permissions. Sometimes a locked editor or stray quotes break the file. A single troubleshooting tip: open git/config in a plain text editor to spot and fix syntax issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.